Hi and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a relatively quick and simple one for a change. It's mostly aimed at new owners of the PSP or somebody that's maybe had one for a while and doesn't really keep up with things. I'm just going to cover how to expand the storage on it. So the memory cards you get for PSP are Memory Stick Pro Duo. It's an old format now and they tend not to be very big in size. I think the biggest one I've probably seen is at 8GB. I think they might go to 16, I'm not sure of that. Very limited to the storage space you have on them. So what I'm going to show you today is something cheap and it'll expand the storage on your PSP. What you're going to need is one of these. It's a micro SD card adapter. It turns a micro SD card into a Memory Stick Pro Duo. So you can use a larger memory card in the PSP and obviously a SD card to go in it. Now let's talk about sizes of the SD card. I know you can get 1TB, 2TB. That may seem like a good idea, but on testing I've found the kind of maximum size a PSP can handle is 128. I tend to use a 64. The reason for that is when you turn it on and it's going through all the files, it takes ages. Remember, these are old consoles, so they're not as fast as what we're used to nowadays. So I recommend stick to either a 64GB or a 128. I wouldn't go any higher than that. 256 I've tried, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but when they do work they're very, very slow in reading them. So I wouldn't say they're worth getting. Optimal's definitely 128, no bigger than that. I'll put a link in the description below for these two items. So let's go ahead and we'll set it up in the PSP. So we've got our adapter, micro SD card just goes in like that. And that's us now got a 64GB Memory Stick Pro Duo card. And we shall put that into the PSP. Now before we go ahead and use it, once we've put the card in, we'll get a message come up with this saying that the memory stick has to be formatted. That's easy enough to do. So we just go to the settings menu, system settings, and go down till you find format memory stick and just click on that. And that will format it for your use on your PSP. Once that's complete, we now have a memory stick of 64GB with usable 58GB left to use on our PSP. So that's a relatively cheap and easy way to upgrade the storage on your PSP. Hopefully this has helped some of you out, and thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in another one soon. Cheers, bye bye.